Let's talk about WH questions. WH question is a term used to refer to questions starting with WH and H. It asks for information, and WH questions are very common in English. These are the list of some WH questions, their meanings, and sample sentences. WH question who? It asks about person. Who is your brother? Where? Asks about place. Where is the bank? What? Asks about things, idea, information, and action. Example, what are you holding? Asking about thing. What are you thinking about? Asking about idea. What kind of pet do you have? It asks about information. And last, what are you doing? It asks about action. Why? It asks about reason. Why do you like pizza? When? It asks about time. When is the party? Whose? It asks about possession. Whose bag is this? Which? It asks about choice. Which do you like? Tea or coffee? And how? It asks about manner. How did you convince her to come? How many? It asks about quantity for countable nouns. How many bags does she have? How much? It asks about quantity for uncountable nouns. How much water do you need? Water, that is uncountable noun. How often? It asks about frequency. How often does your sister water her plants? How far? It asks about distance. How far is it from your house to the school? How old? Age. How old is your daughter? And how long? It asks about duration. How long should I answer this test? And now, let's do exercise. Supply the correct WH question for the following sentences. Blank is flying the kite. It asks about person. So, the answer is who. Who is flying the kite? Blank are you going? It asks about place. So, the answer is where. Where are you going? Blank, do you visit your grandparents? It asks about frequency. So, the answer is how often. How often do you visit your grandparents? Black shirt do you like? It asks about choice. So, the answer is which. Which shirt do you like? Black sugar should I put in your coffee? It asks about the amount. So, the answer is how much. How much sugar should I put in your coffee? Blank, are you so late? So, it asks about reason. So, the answer is why. Why are you so late? Blank, do you take a shower? It asks about duration. So, the answer is how long do you take a shower? The last is blank jacket is this. It asks about possession. So, the answer is whose. Whose jacket is this?
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.